Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Computer Classes by Rachna. So now we will be talking about what if analysis second part, which is goal seek. We have already done the what if analysis scenario manager. If you have not seen that, please see my previous uploaded videos under the playlist MS Excel, since what if analysis is also a very important part of MS Excel. So we will be right now concentrating on this table of values in case we have to take a car loan, suppose. So this is about the rate of interest. Let's say the rate of interest for a car loan is 10%. Let's say we are taking it for a tenure of 25 months, and let's say the amount is 2 lakhs. So 2 lakh is the amount, the tenure is 25, and the rate of interest is 10%, suppose. So now we have to calculate the monthly installment. So there's a formula in Excel to calculate the monthly installment, and that formula is a payment formula for monthly installment, which is PMT. The formula is PMT. It calculates the payment for the loan based on the constant payments and the constant interest rates. So we click on it, and when we click on it, it shows that we have to give the rate of interest. So what is the rate of interest? We select it is 10%, so it gives me the value B. But this value B3 has to be divided. This value B3 has to be divided by 12 because the monthly installment interest is 10%. So every month the installment rate is 10%, so it should be divided by 12. Now after this we have to give the tenure, so the time period for which, the number of months, the number of period for which we have to pay. So that is this 25. The tenure in months is 25, so we select this B4. And now we have to select the principal value, which is 2 lakhs. So if I'm taking a loan of 2 lakhs, if I do this, you will see there is a problem when we enter. It gives me a negative rate of interest. The negative rate of interest is coming. Why? Because we are supposed to give the cash outflow when we are paying the loan amount, when we are paying the principal value loan amount. It is a cash outflow, so it is minus, it should be minus B5. So when we select this loan amount, we have to give a negative symbol along with it. Now when we press enter, it is going to show me the installment that comes out after calculation is 8,895.42 rupees. So this is the monthly installment that we have to pay if we are taking a loan of 2 lakh at 25 months for the rate of interest, at the rate of interest of 10%. Now the total amount that we will be paying is the total number of months, which is B4, multiplied, so multiply means asterisks, multiplied by the monthly installment. So if I'm paying a monthly installment of 1,000 for 25 months, it should be 25,000. And if I'm paying this monthly installment, it should be multiplied by 25. So I selected these and we got B4 into B7. Now I press enter. So this is the total amount that I'm paying. I'm paying a total amount of 2,22,385.38 rupees. So what we have to do now, we have to find out that what is the total interest amount that I'm being paying. So the total interest amount that I would be paying is this total amount minus the actual loan amount. So the total amount that I have to pay minus the loan amount. So this is the total amount that I'm paying. So again we will apply the formula. So this total amount minus the loan amount. The loan amount is this. So B8 minus B5. So I get all these values. So till now we have not applied anything related to this goal seek in what if analysis. Right now what we have done is we have just applied a few formulas which are related to calculation of payment. So now starts the problem of goal seek. So goal seek means I want to reach a particular goal, and for that what should be the changes in the current value. So what if scenario, or what if goal seek, or what if data table, they all solve the questions related to what if. So let's say the question is, what if I do not want to pay the interest amount of 22,000? What if I need to pay the amount of 20,000 instead of this 22,385? So my question comes, what if I want to pay 20,000 as the interest amount? What should be done? What value can be changed? So I'll show you few details here. First thing, in what if analysis, we need to go to data tab. When we click on data, we move to the right and we move to the forecast group and we find what if analysis. The first option we have already done, scenario manager. For this you can check out my previous video. And now we are going for goal seek. If you understand this, you please like, share and subscribe this video on my channel. So what we are doing now, we have to set the goal. The goal that has to be set is for this cell. So it is selected already, so it is showing B9. We have to set B9 to a goal value. What goal I'm seeking? I'm seeking a goal of 20,000 rupees, which means I want to pay 20,000 instead of 22,385. So which cell value can be changed to get the amount of 20,000 as the interest amount? So I can either change the rate of interest, or I can change the tenure, or I can change the loan amount. So we will move one by one. Let's say we change the rate of interest. So what value should be changed in the rate of interest, and we get it, so that I pay a monthly I pay the total interest amount as 20,000. So when I click OK, see, the values have changed. It came current value 20,000, which was the target value, and the changes have been made to the rate of interest. The rate of interest got changed to 9%, the tenure is 25, and the amount is 2 lakh, and the interest amount has changed to 20,000. To get that interest amount changed to 20,000, again we get the changes in the total amount and we get the changes in the monthly installment. Can you see that? So this is my goal, that I wanted to reach 20,000 here, and for that I changed this value. I hope it is clear. This is the first scenario. Now what I'm doing is, I'm moving back. What I'm doing, I'm moving back. So I'm undoing what I have done to make you understand another example. So I click OK here, and then I undo. When I undo, I get back to the previous values. Again, I'll show you goal seek. Now what if I want this interest amount to be 20,000, but I want to change the tenure of months? So I can change these months and I can get the same interest amount of 20,000. So see how I'm going to do that. Again, I move to the data, I move to the what if analysis, I move to goal seek, and now again I'm changing the cell B9. Let the value remain same, which is 20,000. And now what cell I'm going to change here? I am going to change here the tenure. The time period of 25 months can be changed. I clicked OK. Again, see, the target value is this. So all these values are changed, and the tenure has changed to 22 months and 22.31 months. So this is how it is showing the result. So instead of 25 months, it has changed to 22 months and 3 or 4 days. All right, so this is how it has been calculated. So this was my goal and I've reached the goal. So this is the goal I was seeking, and I got this goal by changing the value of the tenure of months. Now again I click OK. Now again I'm moving back. Now again I got the previous values. Again I will apply what if analysis. Now see, my goal was same that I'm applying now, that I need to change this interest amount to 20,000. So 20,000, and to get this amount I'm changing the value of loan amount. If I want to pay a interest of 20,000 and the rate of interest is 10%, tenure is 25 months, the only thing that can be changed is the loan amount now. So what should be the value of loan amount to get me the rate of interest of 20,000? When I click OK, you will see the calculations will change here. See. So now the values have changed and the loan amount have changed to 1,78,688 instead of 2 lakhs. So this is how we can make changes, and now our goal has reached the interest amount of 20,000. So is it clear? So we seeked our goal by changing the cells. Firstly we changed B3, then we changed B4, and then we changed B5. So any of it can be applicable to you. So when you move to what if analysis and when you move to goal seek, you will get the values that you want to change, that you want to seek as a goal. Then you set the value to the goal value, and then you enter that what cells you have to change to reach your goal. So any question similar to this can be asked. So you should know the logic and you can apply it anywhere. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe if you understand. Thank you. So now I'm moving back to my previous values. Okay. So to move back to previous value, I just have to roll back and we get the previous value. Thank you so much.